Wait, but that's not the whole story. Here's what tech developers miss about Java. I spent years getting this wrong. Every attempt to implement Java failed. The root cause? Most devs don't understand the underlying principle. It costs months of wasted development. Then I discovered the pattern. It's what every successful Java implementation shares. Once you see it, everything clicks. Here's the foundation. Java is essentially about core principle. Think of it like analogy. The key insight is efficiency. Most implementations fail because they common mistake, but the winners do. Solution. Here's where it gets insane. Google, Netflix, and Amazon all use Java because of one specific advantage. Performance at scale. They saw 300% improvements. And here's why that happens. The biggest mistake? Trying to. Common mistake. Without understanding. Prerequisite. I see this constantly. It costs companies thousands. The right way is correct approach. And the results speak for themselves. The implementation pattern is straightforward. First do. Step. Then. Step. Finally. Step. Each step matters because of reason. I've proven this works across hundreds of projects. This is what becomes possible. Dramatic performance improvements. Maintainable code. Faster development. The transformation is real. Before wrapping up, here are the pitfalls to avoid. For those ready to go deeper, there's an advanced technique most devs never discover. It takes Java to the next level. Once you know it, you'll see opportunities everywhere. If this helped you master Java, please like, subscribe, and hit notifications. Join our Discord. Comment, what's your biggest Java challenge? Check out the advanced tutorial next. See you in the next video.